Narcissists often find themselves tormented by the aftermath of their actions, especially when they lose someone who played a vital role in their emotional lives. These individuals, known as supply, provide essential emotional and psychological resources like affection, admiration, and validation. Narcissists thrive on extracting these resources, using manipulative tactics to maintain control and fulfill their endless need for attention. Unfortunately, in their attempts to exploit their supply, they tend to push people away, devaluing their worth while assuming they can always manipulate them back. However, when a key person in their life decides to leave for good, the one who got away, the narcissist is left facing an unexpected void. Narcissists typically overestimate their control over others, believing their supply will always return seeking approval or resolution. When someone refuses to return or show desperation, it shatters the narcissist's illusion of control. This loss, which they never anticipated, causes them significant distress, and they are often left to deal with the consequences of their actions, feeling haunted by the missed opportunity. This emotional turmoil is especially intense because narcissists view themselves as invulnerable. They believe their manipulative strategies will always work, allowing them to maintain power. When they realize that they have driven someone away for good, it forces them to confront their dependency on that person. They are faced with the painful dilemma of either accepting the loss or trying to regain the person, a process fraught with fear of failure and humiliation. Attempting to reclaim the lost supply exposes the narcissist's vulnerability, something they are deeply resistant to facing. The situation becomes even more troubling when they realize that the person they lost is thriving without them. The notion that someone they once controlled could lead a better, healthier life outside their influence is difficult for narcissists to accept. It challenges their inflated self-image and reveals the limitations of their manipulative power. In their mind, this person was supposed to be dependent on them, but now that they've moved on, the narcissist is left grappling with a profound sense of regret and helplessness. In conclusion, the narcissist's haunting stems from their inability to move on from the loss of a significant source of supply. Their manipulative actions, once a source of validation, now leave them empty and disillusioned. The realization that they've lost someone irreplaceable forces them to confront their flawed behavior and the consequences of their actions. Despite their desire to maintain control, they are left with a deep void, constantly reminded of the limits of their power and the unpredictability of human emotions. This haunting sense of regret and emotional turmoil can linger indefinitely, leaving the narcissist trapped in a cycle of denial, regret, and longing for what they can never regain.